What do you do with the boxes left over from pizza night? Make toys and games. Let's make 3 of them today. Let's start by making a marble drop. In addition to the pizza box, you'll need craft sticks, paper cups, a hot glue gun, some markers if you want to decorate, and of course, some marbles. I start by hot gluing craft sticks on the pizza box. You can glue them in any direction that you want. You can even cut the craft sticks if you'd like. On the bottom of the pizza box, glue your paper cups. You can use a marker to put different numbers for points on the paper cups. Now's the time to decorate. We used some painter's tape to hold our pizza box up against a chair. Now drop a marble. Be careful not to leave small children alone with marbles. But together, this is a fun toy. Next, let's make a floor track for our toy cars. In addition to the pizza box, you'll need craft sticks, paper cups, a hot glue gun, tape, markers, scissors, and of course, some toy cars. I start by cutting the box where I want my ramps to be. I glue the paper cups to the bottom to give the ramps support. I can draw roads and parking spots. The craft sticks are great for making more ramps or making bridges. Add the toy cars. This toy is so much fun. My daughter kept playing with it for almost an hour straight, and then got it back out the next day. Let's make a ping pong ball bowling alley. In addition to the pizza box, you'll need paper cups, tape, scissors, marker, a hot glue gun, and of course, some ping pong balls. I tape the edges of the box to make sure they're secure. Great for bowling alley bumpers. Then I glue the cups down, some farther away and some a little closer. I write down numbers for points and then lines on my bowling alley floor. All done! This one was a little harder to get the hang of, but still very fun. These homemade pizza box toys really were hours of fun.